I recently made a fire safety video and the comment section blew me away. So many people thought that all extension cords were the same. They're not, and it's a very big deal. This one came from the dollar store. This one came from a brewery that powers heavy-duty equipment. At first glance, they look almost identical. Let's break it down. These two use exactly the two same wire gauge, but almost nobody realizes it. This isn't really an extension cord video. This video is about finally understanding wire sizes in the exact same system that's used in the wiring inside of your home. If you've ever wondered what 16, 14, and 12 gauge actually means, then look no further. Here are the things that everyone gets wrong about extension cords.
5.
The numbers are backwards. This part confuses everyone. The smaller the gauge number, the thicker the copper and more expensive. So 12 gauge wire is actually thicker than 14. And because it's more copper, it's going to cost a lot more.
4.
This is 12.2 Romex, and this is 12.3 extension cord. The first number means the exact same thing on both. It's telling you the size of the copper conductor. Now here's where it gets confusing. Why does the wire in our house say 12.2 and the extension cord says 12.3? If you strip both of them open, Romex electrical wire only counts the insulated current carrying conductors. Romex or electrical wire, Romex is just a brand name, only counts black, hot, white, neutral. The bare ground doesn't count. That's why it's called 12.2. Extension cords, I don't know why, but they count all three conductors: hot, neutral, and ground. That's why it's called 12.3. The important thing here is to not get caught up on the second number.
3.
Number 3, same gauge does not mean same wire. Now here's something I didn't realize until a few years ago. I just assumed that every extension cord was made from copper, just like the inside the wiring of our homes. But then I thought, copper is expensive. There's no way every cheap extension cord is built the same. And I was right. Both of these are 12 gauge, the same thickness, but the wire gauge only tells you the size. It doesn't tell you what the conductor, the metal running your electricity, is made of. These 99-cent store extension cords, it's aluminum with a thin copper clad around it. What you want to look for on the label is 100% copper or AWG, American Wire Gauge. Trust me on this. The cheap stuff, they're not going to disclose what it's made of.
2.
Extension cords are not house wiring. Think about how well we treat the Romex inside of our walls. We protect it. We staple it properly. We never walk on it. We would never bury it under a rug or a sofa or a beanbag chair. But extension cords, we slam doors on them. We set tables on them. We leave them inside. We wrap them to aquariums and around furniture. They are designed for temporary use. No matter how thick they are not permanent wiring.
1.
Number 1, by far, be careful what you plug them into. Space heater, hair dryer, air fryer, portable AC, permanent AC, high-powered PC gaming towers. Think about what you're plugging the cord into. High wattage appliances generate a lot of heat. Whenever possible, plug them into a wall instead of an extension cord. At the end of the day, these two use the exact same wire gauging system. The first number tells you the size of the conductor. Once you understand that, you're going to understand extension cords, the wiring throughout your entire house. Treat it like that. So this really wasn't an extension cord video. This was a wire size and copper video. Thank you for watching. Check out my video on the #1 reason for house fires.